You know, it's something interesting to be understood in the person of Christ as he is portrayed in the scriptures. You know that as the scriptures state, he entered into his ministry being about 30 years old. Now, upon entering that ministry, it never shows at any point where he stopped ministering. We're talking about 3.5 years of continuous teaching, preaching, ministering, healing the sick, raising the dead, casting out evil spirits, training of the disciples, being an example to the disciples, showing them about the things of God, showing them how to move in the Spirit, showing them how to move wisely and humbly, showing them how to love, showing them how to have mercy, showing them how to forgive. He spent a lot of time. See, it's one thing we talk about going to church once a week or twice a week, and maybe for a couple hours each time in spurts, right? Or sometimes just going on the holidays, just go on Mother's Day or Easter, depending on what your traditions are. But when Christ ministered, he didn't take a day off. He went every single day, all day. And then along with that, he had the training of the disciples, which that was not the multitudes. That was him actually teaching, say, Peter, James, John, Andrew, Philip, Thomas, Bartholomew, Matthew, James, Simon, Judas Iscariot, along with the women. And there were quite a few. It was Mary and Martha and Susan and quite a few others that stayed with him as he ministered in his earthly ministry. And he continually ministered. He didn't get tired of it. Very much unlike the traditional church environment that we exist in or participate in, at least some of us today. What example was the Lord giving us as it concerns our relationship with God? Was he trying to let us know that when it comes to a true relationship with God, there are no days off? You're to walk with him every day. You're to live in him every day. You're to commune with him every day. That's a serious example.